Hello, let's review the lesson today. I eat healthy food. I eat healthy food. Look and say, I eat healthy food. I eat healthy food. Apple, apple, banana, banana. Corn, corn. Carrots, carrots. I eat apple. I eat apple. I eat banana. I eat banana. I eat corn. I eat corn. I eat carrots. I eat carrots. Goodbye.